Putting on the new tire. Okay, let's get the bed wet on there. What's up, guys? Hope y'all are having a fantastic day as always. Today I'm doing a video changing out my tires for some winter wheels and tires. It's about to be winter. It's like 40 degrees outside right now. That's primarily the reason why I'm doing this video inside my garage, because it's pretty cold outside and I have good lighting in the garage. But I got these wheels and tires, 4 of them, for $200, and I'm gonna put them on and see how it drives. All right, so I put out my winter wheels and tires, and I got these. They are, by the way, they are Hankook Winter Spike RS tires. And I got them for, I believe it was $200 for the whole set. And they're gonna be going on my car. My car is front wheel drive. It's a Honda Accord Coupe. But these have really good tread on them. And I wanna show you guys actually how much tread they got, because I got a little tool. Oh, don't go anywhere. I got a tire depth gauge, so I'm gonna measure it out for you guys. So it's right around 9/32 of an inch, and they're all even. All 4 tires are about the same. I just measured them, but yeah, 9/32. I think it's pretty good, and these should last me about 5 years, I think, because I'm gonna always keep switching by myself from summer to winter and back and forth. Here's the passenger side. I got an incredible deal with these tires, and I'm gonna do it all myself, so I'm gonna be good to go for the winter. I examined the tires a little bit, and they do look like they have a tiny bit of chop. Some spots are taller than the others, but nothing crazy, and the tread is really good on them. I bought this extra set of wheels. I actually had an extra set of wheels, snow tires and wheels, but the tread was getting a little worn down, and these are way better. Plus the rims look way better. So these should last me about 5 years, because I don't do that many, I don't put that many miles on a year. I put on maybe like 7,000 or 8,000 miles a year only. All right, I'm getting right into it. Gotta line up the jack with the jack area on my car. Hopefully I don't mess up my containment mat for winter. All right, this should be good. Maybe not. Oh, God. All right, I got my torque wrench with a extension and a 19mm socket. So I'm gonna undo this, and then I'm gonna jack the car up. Lefty loosey. Okay. Okay, just breaking them a little free so that I can unscrew them when the car is jacked up. All right, here we go. I'll sign this a little bit, because the original one on the car, which you can do if you don't sign this. Jack, right at the jack loose. I stopped for a second, I was recording, but I am. Okay. Tire is up. Jack it one more, just in case. All right, so that is up. And I'll get my power tool to take these out. All right, I got my mini Milwaukee impact gun, and I got this, what do you call this thing? The adapter, what is it? 5/8 adapter? I don't know. But it fits the socket, so I'm gonna put that on. The 1/2 inch. Sorry about that, guys. I just saw that it says 1/2 inch on there. So taking it off, one by one, easy peasy. Whoops. More than strong enough to take it out. I just break it free with my torque wrench first. But coming off with this. All right, man. These tires, I estimate, probably have like 7, or no, not even, like 6 30-seconds. All right, looking at the wheel well here, the tire scraped this a little bit. I think it was my winter tire. But I want to look at the brake pads. The brake pads are like half the size of, they're probably like 55% left, but I'm gonna ride them till they wear out completely. And here's the new tire. And I definitely want to spray this down a little bit because that looks rusty as heck. I want this jack to last me a little while. All right, I got some grease that I do want to put on these spots right here, just so I don't have a super tough time taking the wheels off if they get too rusty. So I'm just gonna do some of this. Nothing crazy. There you go, just something like that. That should make it prevent seizing up. All right. Putting on the new tire. Okay, let's get this bad boy on there. Whoa, yeah. All right, we got it on there. All right, bringing the car down. Hopefully this goes good. All right, looking good so far. And I'm gonna torque the wheels down. Everything's looking good so far. I was a little worried that these lug nuts wouldn't have the clearance for screwing on these wheels, but it seems to be all right. All right, so Honda recommends 80 pound-feet. So I'm gonna adjust this right now. I'm gonna turn this thing to 80. All right, I don't know if you guys can see that there. I turned it to 80 and it should be good to go. Righty tighty. Oh. All right, I got one wheel changed, 3 more to go, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. By the way, there's the bikes tucked away. I don't ride them when it's cold out. I have no interest in riding. Oh, look, there's some tree stuff on my beautiful VTX 1300. Oh, look at this one too. A bunch of tree stuff. Probably when I was leaf blowing a little in the garage. Didn't even notice that until now. But bikes are right there. When it's warmer weather, I'll ride them again, but definitely not in 42-degree weather. Nope, sorry. All right, coming over this way. To my surprise, I was curious about my brakes because I haven't changed my brake pads in forever. But the rear brake pads, they got plenty of life in them. Looks like they're way more, they have way more life. Those look like probably 75% life left. The fronts were like 50 or 55%. But yeah, here's the wheel well. Gonna do the same thing with these connection points here. Gonna just grease them slightly just so they don't corrode too much, and then put the other wheel on. All right, here it is without the hubcaps. Looks pretty nice like this, but I'm gonna put my hubcaps on just because I don't want salt and dirt going in and messing everything up. It's kind of like a containment guard, those hubcaps. But yeah, super meaty snow tires are on the car and should be driving pretty good in the snow with these. I pumped them up 33 psi in the front and 32 in the rear. That's what's recommended for this thing. I'll show you guys here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more videos. Catch you next time.